down. Cali is where they put they Mac down.
What you doing?
Playing football. He loves the boner.
Oh, sucked pretty bad. What's that? Where'd you get that?
Dunkin' Donuts.
Dunkin' Donuts? In Market?
Yeah.
Where'd you get it from?
Timo.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You get it from your good buddy Tyler?
Timo got me for free.
Oh, did he?
Yeah. That's how ghetto I am.
I got so many cameras right there. Pretty hard fun. I'm gonna spin around that circle. Gotta do something cool.
What?
Do something cool. Do something cool!
Oh shit.
Pretty dark outside.
Yeah, it's only like
Alright, do something cool! Actually, it's 7 o'clock. Nigger.
Boner. You can turn that off now.
No.
Yeah.
I'm zoomed up on your face.
Great.